back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time. And if it's your first time, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're back today, not for a DIY, but for just a quick channel update. It's been about a year now that we started the whole YouTube journey, and we just got monetized. So we just wanted to say a really big thank you to all of our subscribers, all of our viewers, our families and friends, our supporters. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this journey and watching our DIYs and building at home with us. We absolutely love this new DIY community that we've been able to create. With that being said, we know it's been a while since we put out content pretty consistently. And while we haven't been as busy on YouTube, we've been very busy in real life working on our greatest DIY yet. We're having a baby! So it has been quite an adjustment. As I'm sure a lot of you at home can imagine, especially you guys with kids. This is our first, so we're totally excited, but at the same time have absolutely no idea what we're doing. Literally none, absolutely none. We wanted to give you guys a little backstory. So if you guys have watched our custom bench video that we did for our friends Nikita and Jamarcus, if you haven't watched it, we'll go ahead and link it above for you now. We filmed that video back in, what was it? March, and we had just found out that we were having a baby, and it was absolutely insane, totally unexpected. We had already scheduled to be building this crazy bench, and it was a challenge to say the least. But so anyway, that piece in Nikita's house will always have really extra special place in our hearts, because that was really the first DIY YouTube video that we did post trying to put ourselves in this like new parental mindset. But it was good. You guys should really check it out. We were super proud of the piece, and now we can use all of these woodworking skills for things baby related. Our friends and family keep asking us, how will we keep up with the baby, the YouTube channel? And while we can't promise weekly content, we have absolutely no intention of stopping.
We have so many ideas we've been cooking up since the start of the pregnancy. So now, we have some more woodworking projects, home decor, maybe some baby stuff, you never know, but we have a lot of things cooking up, so just be patient.
Yeah, I will say too, even though our wedding has already passed, it seems like you guys are really enjoying the wedding content. We do have a few DIYs left from our own wedding, but we have some more ideas stirring, so definitely get back to some of the wedding content for you guys as well. But thank you again. We appreciate all of the support. We hope you enjoyed this really quick channel update. If you guys are at all interested on our pregnancy journey, we did our announcement video and our gender reveal video over on our Instagrams. So we'll go ahead and put our what is it? Our tags? We'll go ahead and put our, what is it called? Our handles. We'll put our handles so you guys can go check them out. Jesus Christ.
You can tell
pregnancy brain, dude. We're just gonna blame it on pregnancy brain. But we'll put our handles down below so you guys can go check it out if you guys are at all interested. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We will catch you guys in the next one.